Thanks for checking out this Aweber video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around at the end for some awesome suggested content. When creating emails for your business, one of the biggest questions you may have is, what do I even write in these emails? Here's a few helpful tips. First off, if you're struggling with what to write, consider just asking your subscribers what they'd like to hear about. Seriously, just create a newsletter, let them know where they can reach you at your email address, and open up that conversation. Don't forget, email marketing is a two-way street. You're not just talking to your subscribers, you want to give them a chance to talk to you. Another really obvious one is Google. You talk about gardening tips on your email list? Google gardening tips for some ideas. And finally, there's a great website, ezinearticles.com. This website's a collection of different articles written across a bunch of different topics. You can search those topics in those categories or just type in a search. From here, pick an article that you think your subscribers will be interested in and literally just copy and paste this into an email. Just don't forget, when using eZine Articles, include the citation that's at the bottom of every article. Make sure you're citing that work. In fact, this content idea can actually equal two separate emails. The first email can contain the article itself, and the second email can contain your opinion, a little bit of an op-ed piece with your take on the contents of the article. So what are you waiting for? Why not take what you just learned and try it out in Aweber today? And if you don't have an account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.